onwards, we are starting our second semester grammar chapter 14 adjectives. So before we will start this chapter, I request you all please open your textbook of grammar chapter 14. Adjectives. An adjective is a word that says something about a noun. Already you know what is an adjective. So here we have definition of adjective is a word that says something about a noun or noun. Here we have some examples. Let's discuss. The young boy has new shoes. You can see here new is written, young and new is written in the bold writing. So that is mentioned as an adjective. The white swan is a graceful bird. Here we have white and graceful as an adjective. The old man is wise and strong. Here we have three adjectives: old, wise, strong. Yellow mangoes are very sweet. Here we have two adjectives, yellow and sweet. So here all the words in bold describe the noun. It tells us what kind of person or thing is. They are all describing words. By using adjectives with nouns, we make the meaning more clear. Adjectives are of many kinds. They are broadly classified into 6 types. So here in this chapter we are having 6 kinds of adjectives. First, adjective of quality. Second, adjective of quantity. Third, adjective of number. Fourth, demonstrative adjective. Fifth, interrogative adjective. And sixth, possessive adjective. So children, now we will discuss all these 6 kinds of adjectives in detail. So first we have adjective of quality. An adjective of quality describes the quality of a person or a thing. Here this is an the definition also. So children, learn this definition. What is an adjective of quality? It is written here, an adjective of quality describes the quality of a person or a thing. So you can learn this because it can come in the exams. We have examples of adjective of quality. Amitabh Bachchan is the best game show host. So here best is the adjective of quality. Lata Mangeshkar is a great singer. Here great is the adjective of quality. The Taj is a magnificent building. Rajdhani is a super fast train. So here the adjective best, great, magnificent and super fast tell us what kind of a person or a thing is. So it answers the question what kind of. So I hope you have understood. Next we have adjective of quantity. So here what is an adjective of quantity? An adjective of quantity describes the quantity of a thing. For an example, he has little knowledge of the work. You can read some of these books. How much milk does the cow give? I drank the whole jug of milk. So here the adjectives little, some, much and whole tell us how much of a thing is intended. Such adjectives are called adjectives of quantity and always it answers how much. So this is the adjective of quantity. Now we will discuss adjective of number. An adjective of number tells us how many person or things are or in what order any of them stands. So here we have example. Do not speak more than a few words. Columbus was the first man to discover America. Not many people know him. Our exams will begin after 10 days. So here a few, first, many, and ten tell us how many person meant, right? So this we can count in a number. So this is called adjective of number. It answers the question how many, because whenever we are asking any question with how many, we are getting in an answer exact number or number of of person or thing. Adjectives like first, second, etc. are derived from numbers. They are also called ordinal adjectives. So, whichever we are getting answers like first, second, third, this is called ordinal adjectives. They show in what order a person or thing stands. Now, we will discuss demonstrative adjectives. A demonstrative adjective is used to point out some person or thing. Means here we have example, I eat those pastries. So here in this first sentence we are pointing out to the pastries. So here whichever some kinds of, sometimes we are talking about some person or thing. So we are showing point, and we can say that these trees or those pastries, right? Here we have some more examples also. So this is called demonstrative adjective. This kind of men are not likable. These books belong to Madhu, that is his house. So here those kind of, these and that point out which person or things are meant. These are called demonstrative adjectives, and demonstrative adjectives answer the question which. Interrogative adjectives, as you know, interrogative we are asking questions, right? An adjective which when used with a noun ask question is called an interrogative adjectives. For an example, what places will you visit in Banaras? Which train goes to Bangalore? Whose pictures are these? Which of these boys will be the monitor? So, children, in the above sentences, what, which, and those, whose are used with nouns to ask questions. So, such kind of adjectives are called interrogative adjectives. Now, we will discuss about possessive adjective. A possessive adjective shows possession or belonging. Sometimes we are saying that this is my book, his book, or her book. That is showing the possession of a book, person, or thing. So this is called possessive adjective. For an example, this is my palace. Her friends are good girls. Leave your luggage in the cloakroom. Our native place is not far from here. So here in this examples, my, your, his, her, and its are used if the possessor is singular. Our, your, and their are used if the possessor is plural. So for singular possessor we are using my, your, his, her, and its, and for plural we are using our, your, and their. Here his is masculine, her is feminine. Means his we are using for masculine gender and her we are using for feminine gender. My, your, our, their are used for masculine or feminine. So here my, your, our, their, this we are using, we can use for masculine gender also and feminine gender also. It is used for either gender singular, there is used for either gender plural. So it we are using for singular gender and there we are using for plural gender. So children, I hope you have understood this chapter. If you not understood, so please watch this video again 2-3 times so you can understand, and in the next video we will discuss exercises of this chapter. Till then, learn all the definitions and read the these examples and explanation from the textbook. Thank you.